AI in 2026 probably won't look like one big sci fi breakthrough, in my opinion. My guess is it's going to be a bunch of smaller changes that quietly reshape everyday apps like email, searches, photo tools, even customer service more than what it is today, with a dash of a few game changers dispersed throughout the rest of the year. And just to be clear, I'm not an industry insider. I am just a consumer, everyday user that has my monthly subscriptions to some of the frontier models. So this is strictly my opinion on what I'm seeing. And I'm going to try to stay away from any of the hype because that just, yeah, I'm not into the hype. First expectation, I think AI will get more useful inside the software that we already use. Not just answering questions, but doing simple tasks end to end. Stuff like summarize this thread and draft a polite reply, or take these notes and turn them into an outline, or something like organize these files into folders by project name. That's just some of the things I'm thinking. Some of this already does exist to a certain extent, but I think we will see this integrated more in 2026. But here's my pragmatic thoughts on this. The best versions won't be the ones that feel the smartest. They'll be the ones that are more transparent, showing you what's changed, giving you options, and letting you undo mistakes easily. Unlike the disaster of Copilot in Windows 11, where Microsoft forced it on consumers. Another thing that I'm expecting to see, like I said, I could be wrong. These are just my opinions on predictions here. I also think voice prompting will be used more in 2026. Not everywhere, but in places where typing is awkward, like driving, cooking, taking care of the baby, feeding the cat, multitasking. I don't think most people will walk around talking to AI all day, but I do think it will become normal to say, hey, read me the highlights, or remind me later, or what's the next step? Another thing that I'm hoping to see more of is AI running locally on devices, at least for smaller tasks. That means faster responses and better privacy for certain things. But I don't think we will suddenly go 100% local. My guess is more of a hybrid approach to this. Lightweight AI locally for, quick tasks on your devices, and then, cloud AI when you need to do the heavy lifting. And from a user perspective, the real question will be, will the app make that trade-off clear, or will it be invisible? Will there be some type of noticeable, like when you're switching over, that type of thing? So I think the more seamless that is, the easier it is for people going to incorporate that. So I think another change is we will go from being good at prompts to demanding more trusted output. It'll be basic AI judgment, like knowing when to trust it and when to double check. This will be definitely more and more important, I think. My rule of thumb is use AI for drafts, structure, and options, but verify anything factual, medical, legal, or money related. The big things that could get you really in trouble. And if AI is doing actions like changing files or sending messages, there needs to be a review step. Otherwise, it's not a helper. It can be a very, very big liability. So, like your teacher used to tell you, check your work. And the last one for 2026 is going to be a lot harder to tell which is real and which is AI generated. I mean, we've already seen a lot of this in 2025, especially in the form of AI images, AI audio, video, which, if it goes unverified or certified, then more people are going to be getting fooled. So I expect more labels, more this content is AI assisted type stamps of approval, for the lack of a better word, and more platform policies, because I think people are going to want to be able to better trust what they are seeing and hearing. Alrighty, that's it for this video, and have a good one.